Water is life. We all need it. It's essential for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Without clean water, our daily activities would be impossible. Imagine a day without water, it's unthinkable. But sometimes our water isn't clean. Polluted water can come from various sources like industrial waste, agricultural runoff, or even old pipes. It can have dirt, rust, or even things that make us sick. Contaminated water can lead to serious health issues, including stomach problems and other diseases. Yuck! A water filter helps. It's a simple solution to a big problem. It takes out the bad stuff. Filters can remove impurities, making water safe to drink. Then we can drink clean water and stay healthy. Clean water keeps us hydrated and supports our overall well-being. You can buy a water filter. There are many options available, from simple pitchers to advanced systems. But making your own is fun. Plus, it saves money. Let's get started. Building a DIY filter can be a rewarding project and ensures you always have access to clean water. Here's what we need to create a simple yet effective water filter. Clean water is essential for health, and building your own filter can be a rewarding and educational experience. You can find most of these materials at your local hardware store. It's a one-stop shop for all your DIY needs. First, we need a PVC pipe. This will be the main body of our filter. Make sure to get a 4-inch diameter pipe, and it should be about 3 feet long. This size is perfect for our needs. Next, we need PVC end caps. These will be used to close off both ends of the pipe. We need 2 of these to ensure that the water flows through the filter properly. Gravel is our first layer of filtering material. It helps to remove larger particles and debris from the water. Make sure to get clean, washed gravel. Clay sand is our second layer. This finer material helps to filter out smaller particles that the gravel might miss. It's important to use clay sand because it's cleaner and more uniform. Activated carbon is crucial for removing bad tastes and smells from the water. It also helps to eliminate some chemicals and impurities, making the water safer to drink. PVC glue is used to hold everything together. This ensures that our filter is watertight and that all the components stay in place. A hacksaw is necessary for cutting the PVC pipe to the correct length. Make sure to measure carefully before you cut. A drill is used to make a hole in the PVC pipe for the water to come out. This is an important step to ensure that the filtered water can be easily accessed. Got everything? Great. Now that we have all our materials, we're ready to start building our water filter. Let's get to work and create something that will provide clean, safe water. First, we cut the PVC pipe. We only need one piece, about 2 feet long. Next, we glue an end cap to one end of the pipe. Make sure it's on tight. Let the glue dry completely. Now we're ready for the filtering layers. Section 4. Putting in the filters. First, put in the gravel. Make a layer about 6 inches deep. Next comes the clay sand. Make that layer about 4 inches deep. Finally, add the activated carbon. Make a 2-inch layer on top. Now we have our 3 layers of filtering. Section 5. Finishing touches. We need to close the filter. Glue the other end cap onto the pipe. Let it dry completely. Now we drill a hole in the bottom end cap. This is where the clean water will come out. Our filter is ready. Section 6. Does it work? Let's test it. Slowly pour some water into the top of the filter. Wait for the water to drip out of the hole. Does it look cleaner? If yes, great job. You made your own water filter. Section 7. Taking care of your filter. In this section we will guide you through the essential steps to maintain your water filter, ensuring it functions efficiently and provides you with clean water. Over time the filters get dirty. This is a natural process as the filter traps impurities and particles from the water, preventing them from reaching your glass. You need to clean them regularly to maintain their effectiveness. A dirty filter can slow down water flow and reduce the quality of the filtered water. Carefully take out the gravel, sand, and carbon. These components are crucial for the filtration process, so handle them with care to avoid damage. Wash them thoroughly under running water. Make sure to remove all the trapped dirt and particles. Once cleaned, put them back in their respective places in the filter. Do this every few months. Setting a reminder on your calendar or phone can help you keep track of when it's time to clean your filter again. By maintaining your filter, you'll ensure a steady supply of clean water for a long time. Clean water is essential for your health and well-being. Remember, this filter is great for basic cleaning. It's designed to remove common impurities and improve the taste and clarity of your water. But it might not remove everything. Some contaminants, like certain chemicals and microorganisms, may require more advanced filtration methods. If you're unsure about your water quality, consider boiling it or investing in a special filter designed to remove a wider range of contaminants. This extra step can provide additional peace of mind. Stay safe and enjoy clean water. Regular maintenance of your filter is a small effort that goes a long way in ensuring the health and happiness of you and your loved ones.